Proguanil is not used as a clinical curative in malaria because its agentocidal action is slow. Pyrimethamine plus sulfadoxine should be used as clinical curative in areas with chloroquine resistant malaria. Sulfadoxine pyrimethamine combination is used as clinical curative but is not recommended for prophylaxis of malaria because of risk of severe dermatological reactions to sulfadoxine. The following antimalarial drug is more active against pre and exoerythrocytic stages of the malarial parasite than against the erythrocytic stage, that is primaquine. Proguanil is not used as a clinical curative in malaria because its agentocidal action is low. Pyrimethamine plus sulfadoxine should be used as clinical curative in areas with chloroquine resistant malaria. Select the drug combination that you will prescribe as a prophylactic to a resident of non-endemic area who got posted for 6 months to an endemic area with low degree chloroquine resistant among Plasmodium falciparum, that is proguanil plus chloroquine combination. The fastest acting schizontocidal drug among the following is artemether. Clinical applications of quinine include the following except to induce abortion. IV injection of quinine produces hypoglycemia. The following is true of quinine, that it is not to be used for prophylaxis of malaria. The following is true for mefloquine, that neuropsychiatric reactions are the most important adverse effects of mefloquine. The drug of choice for cerebral malaria due to Plasmodium falciparum is quinine. Chloroquine is indicated in the following disorders except rheumatic fever. Choose the drug whose single oral dose affords clinical cure of uncomplicated malaria caused by chloroquine resistant Plasmodium falciparum as well as Plasmodium vivax, that is mefloquine. In addition to malarial parasite, chloroquine is active against Entamoeba histolytica. Which of the following drug is suitable for treatment of malaria during pregnancy, that is chloroquine. The regimens recommended for treatment of chloroquine resistant Plasmodium falciparum malaria in an adult include the following except mefloquine 0.5 gram daily for 7 days. Chloroquine acts as erythrocytic schizonticide for both Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium vivax. Radical cure of vivax malaria should be attempted in areas where only sporadic cases occur and endemic areas with effective vector control measures. The following drug is radical curative in vivax malaria, that is primaquine. Chloroquine resistant Plasmodium falciparum malaria can be cured by the following drugs except primaquine. Select the correct statement about primaquine. It is used as gametocidal drug in falciparum malaria. Indicate the drug that is a slow acting, low efficacy blood schizonticide that should not be used as clinical curative, that is proguanil. A patient of vivax malaria was treated with standard dose of chloroquine. After 6 weeks, he reported back with a relapse. Which drug will you use to treat the relapse episode, that is chloroquine. If a drug is active against the pre-erythrocytic stage of the malarial parasite, it will be useful as causal prophylactic. Chemoprophylaxis of malaria is recommended for the following category of subjects except travelers from non-endemic to endemic areas. Recrudescence of malaria refers to recurrence of malaria fever due to incomplete clearance of schizons from blood. The following drugs should be used only as a clinical curative but not as prophylactic in malaria, that is combination of pyrimethamine sulfadoxine. An adult male living in non-malarious area has to visit an area where chloroquine resistant Plasmodium falciparum is prevalent. He is intolerant to mefloquine and his G-glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase status is unknown. Select the drug that you will prescribe for prophylaxis of malaria, that is doxycycline. The total dose of chloroquine for treatment of an episode of malarial fever in a non-immune adult is 1500 mg. Erythrocytic schizontoside antimalarial drugs are used as suppressive, prophylactic, and clinical curative. The following drug is a causal prophylactic for falciparum malaria and suppressive prophylactic for Vivax malaria, that is proguanil. What is true about human interferon alpha? It is used to treat Kaposi's sarcoma in AIDS patient. Select the drug which is a causal prophylactic for both falciparum and Vivax malaria, but is not used as prophylactic on mass scale due to risk of severe reactions to some individuals, that is primaquine. Choose the correct statement about amantadine. It is used to protect high-risk subjects during an influenza A2 epidemic. The antiviral action of amantadine is exerted through interaction with the viral M2 protein. Indicate the anti-HIV regimen that is generally reserved for advanced cases of AIDS or for repeated treatment failures, that is 1 NRTI and 1 non-NRTI and 1 protease inhibitor. The initial regimen for antiretroviral therapy of previously untreated HIV patient consists of either 3 NRTIs or 2 NRTIs plus 1 non-NRTI, or 2 nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors plus 1 protease inhibitor. An AIDS patient treated with zeroudine plus lamivudine plus nelfinavir developed intolerable adverse effects. Then all 3 drugs should be stopped or substituted simultaneously. The HIV titer of an AIDS patient was found to be reduced but still detectable after 6 months of triple drug anti-HIV therapy. The best course of action in this patient is replace all 3 drugs with a set of another 3 drugs. Presently, the goal of antiretroviral therapy is inhibit viral replication to undetectable levels and to restore immune competence of the patient to effective level.